Hey bro, check out my portfolio. Solana is absolutely exploding with new meme coin launches right now. Open DEX clear, it's complete chaos, one token after another. In this video, I'm going to show a new method of launching meme coins on Solana that's noticeably different from the standard approaches. I'll show everything using my own live trading example. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my personal opinions on the market. As a young developer who's just getting into the Solana ecosystem, I've been testing a method that lets a token gain instant traction without spending a single cent on marketing. Sounds crazy, but it's actually starting to work for me. And I'll walk you through the full process of launching and trading my meme coin in real time. Watch the video until the end. I'll break down each step so you can fully understand how this new launch format works. It's honestly a real interesting future. Okay, first, we need this website. I will leave a link to the site in the video description. When creating a token on services like this, the token will automatically appear on all trackers like DEX Screener, Axiom. Well, first I go to the DEX Screener, choose any solid token that is trending now. This is necessary to have more investors and good trading with our meme coin. Alright, I found the token, just a random popular token. Now I click create token, I copy the picture, name and ticker. Now I will launch 1 billion tokens, but the amount does not matter. Now enter any description. It can be humorous or more informative. And now, the most important detail, a new feature. We will replace the information about the token creator. More precisely, we will specify another big wallet with Solana. Yes, this is a new tool. We can replace the information about the token dev. This information will be replaced in the smart contract metadata, but don't worry, you will be the real owner. Look at this service. It primarily shows newly minted meme coins and basic wallet data for their creators. There are dozens of similar trackers, constantly monitored by thousands of traders, investors, and automated sniper bots. We need to find a creator who has a lot of Solana in his wallet. We will launch a token with low liquidity, for example with 1 Solana. It will be shown everywhere on all same services. Buyers will see it. And at the same time, the creator's wallet will be displayed, which has a lot of Solana token. Traders will see that the creator's wallet has a lot of Solana. When traders see tokens launched in such a way, they think that the dev intentionally added little liquidity so that the traders or influencers he need can buy the token at a low price. And then he adds all that Solana from his wallet to liquidity later, and the token will rise to the moon. Look, this is a great example. The creator launched a token with low liquidity, but his wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could buy this meme token at a very cheap price for about 20 millions, and this token fly to the moon. Today, I will create a meme coin that will appear the same to buyers. Well, I found a wallet that has a lot of Solana. I take the wallet address and paste it here. I choose all of this because it increases the for trades. Okay, for the meme coin to appear everywhere, including DEX Screener, we need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done, for example, on PalmSwap. This is a new feature on PalmFun, or on Raydium, or right here on the platform by enabling this option. Specify how much Solana and your token amount you want to add to the liquidity. Don't worry, liquidity can always be taken away. This is exactly what we will do. We will draw liquidity back after traders buy our token. I will add liquidity on this side. I have already launched many tokens here. Look, I open a liquidity pool section. All my tokens are profitable for me. I create all my meme coins using this new approach. Okay, I will add 3 Solana to the liquidity pool, but you can add slightly less. For example, 1 Solana. But I got already launched many tokens using this strategy, and the largest profits is then the liquidity is about 3 Solana. But with 1 Solana, it is also fine. Okay, now enter how many tokens I will add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding approximately 90% of the total volume. For example, if 1 billion tokens are launched, then we add 900 million. Okay, now I choose a 2% commission and that's it. Now pass my wallet address here, tokens will be sent to this address, and this address will be the true owner. Now click launch token and I see a confirmation window. I need to send Solana to this address, this liquidity pool and the fee for creating a token. Okay, I made the transaction. Now click check transaction and boom, I see my meme coin address. Now you click on the address and source scan opens. I copy paste my meme coin address. Now you copy the token address, then go to the DEX screen and select any token. Now we need to replace the token address with our own token. Okay, good. We see our token on DEX screen. We need to wait a few minutes for real people to start purchasing. Note, DEX Cleaner displays liquidity amount twice as much as real. This is because it also takes into account our token, which now has a price. Okay, I see the first trade. Trading has started. Now I'm just watching the token being bought and traded in real time. Meme coins on Solana are trending again, and with them, new golden launch methods are emerging. Bull markets often see the emergence of rapid strategies that produce noticeable results in the short term, but their effectiveness is usually short-lived. Therefore, such examples should be viewed as a temporary market phenomenon, not as a surefire formula for success. Well, I'll just accelerate the video and let's see what happens in 15 minutes. Look, the sniper bots have appeared, executing multiply buys, sometimes in chunks up to 5 Solana. The movement is intense. Buyers are coming in fast and trading volume has surged. Man, just look, it's insane. So great trading, so great buyers. Okay, if I take liquidity now, I will get about 10 Solana. Good profit. Well, now I open the liquidity pool page and check my portfolio. I can see my profit in real time. To withdraw the liquidity pool, I just click remove liquidity. Select 100% and click remove liquidity. All the coins will return to the wallet and the meme coin rug pool will complete. But don't worry, you are the real owner. Okay, I click remove and that's it. The liquidity is removed and the token is right. Here we can see it on the DEX screen. Around 30 Solanas is a strong result. And experience has shown that many meme coins have shown a comparable pattern over time. But to understand that some players can easily engineer conditions for a rapid liquidity drain. This video is for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you identify dangerous indicators and avoid risk. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.